Namaste and a very happy Diwali to all of you beautiful souls watching Cultural Entertainment TV. Today, the Festival of Lights is here, and the entire world feels a little brighter, a little warmer, and a lot more magical. Welcome to the grand celebration of Diwali, India's most loved and dazzling festival. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, means row of lights. For 5 glorious days, millions of homes, streets, and hearts glow with thousands of diyas, candles, and fairy lights. But Diwali is so much more than just lights. It's a celebration of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. Let's dive into the magic. The story of Diwali is different across India, but the most popular one comes from the epic Ramayana. Lord Rama, his wife Sita, and brother Lakshman returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and defeating the demon king Ravana. The people of Ayodhya lit millions of oil lamps to welcome their beloved king home. That joyous homecoming is what we still celebrate today, the victory of righteousness. In East India, many worship goddess Kali on Diwali night. In Gujarat and among business communities, they pray to goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity. In Punjab, Diwali coincides with Bandi Chhor Divas, celebrating Guru Hargobind Ji freeing 52 kings from prison. So many beautiful reasons, one sparkling festival. Now, how do we actually celebrate? The preparations start weeks before. Homes are cleaned from top to bottom, because goddess Lakshmi only visits clean and happy homes, right? Walls get fresh paint, new clothes are bought, and everyone gets busy making sweets. Speaking of sweets, oh my God! Diwali is a paradise for anyone with a sweet tooth. Laddus, jalebi, gulab jamun, barfi, kaju katli. Every home smells like heaven. And the savories? Mathri, chakli, namak pare, crunchy happiness in every bite. On the main night, Lakshmi Puja night, families dress in their finest clothes, light hundreds of diyas around the house, draw beautiful Rangoli at the entrance with colored powder, rice, and flowers. The puja thali is ready with incense, sweets, and coins. We pray for health, wealth, and happiness. And then, the sky explodes with fireworks. Crackers, rockets, anar, chakris. The night sky becomes a canvas of sparkling colors. Children and adults alike scream with joy as every burst lights up smiling faces. But today, many people also celebrate a green Diwali, saying no to noisy, polluting crackers and choosing eco-friendly lights and celebrations instead. Because true light comes from love and care for our planet, too. Diwali is also the time for forgiveness, family, and sharing. We visit relatives, exchange gifts and sweets, patch up old fights, and start new account books. That's why it's also called the Festival of Prosperity, and spread joy everywhere. As the diyas flicker and the laughter echoes, Diwali teaches us one beautiful thing. No matter how dark the night, a single lamp of hope, love, and goodness can light up the whole world. So from one little diya, an entire festival of light is born. From all of us at Cultural Entertainment TV, we wish you and your family a Diwali filled with sweetness, sparkling moments, and endless blessings. May your life be as colorful as Rangoli, as sweet as gulab jamun, and as bright as 1,000 diyas. Happy Diwali! Shubh Deepavali! Please like, share, and subscribe to Cultural Entertainment TV for more beautiful stories from around the world. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a celebration. See you in the next video. Until then, keep shining.